Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a new limited edition to share with you and it's from Selfridges and this is the Sundays Beauty Kit. Comes in this gorgeous bag. I haven't opened it up yet. It arrived yesterday, so I'm going to be opening it for the first time in front of you. Selfridges have come out with two beauty bags. There's a Getaway beauty bag and that costs £50 and it has a value of around £140. This Sunday's Beauty Kit retails for £55 and has a value of £165. It contains 7 products and some I've tried, some I haven't. This is the very first time I've actually unboxed a limited edition from Selfridges and I had to get it. I just thought it was really great value for money. It says here skincare, hair care, body care for long days of sun, sea and swim. I'll pop a link to this one down below in my description as well as a link to the Getaway beauty kit as well and all my other discount codes and offers. And if I can find any discounts, I'm not sure if Selfridges do have discounts on their website, but if I can find anything I'll pop it down there as well, so you're welcome to take a look. So let's get on to seeing what's inside. I love the colour. I really like the colour. I've got loads of these little bags, but this is just perfect. Perfect for holidays. The bag looks like. There's no information in this bag about the products, but all these products, as always, you can find on the Selfridges website. So if you want to learn a little bit more about them individually, then you can do so. Starting off then with Sunburn. This is beautiful packaging. I love this. A premium moisturising after sun spray, soothing and moisturising aloe vera dry touch body oil, and there's 200 mils there. Isn't that gorgeous? All their products are really cute. I do really like them. I haven't tried many products from this brand. I've tried heat protection spray, which is really nice. I've tried lip balms, and I think that's it. I think so. So I just want to, oh, there. Okay, that came out pretty fast. So it's a dry touch moisturising oil. Oh my gosh, the smell. Oh, what is the smell? Does it say? No, but it smells of cucumbers. I'm sure there's cucumbers in there. My skin feels so soft. Oh, that is so lovely. That'd be amazing on my dry legs. But I've got to remember not to apply it when I have fake tan. I'm having it drilled into my brain because I only learnt about that recently. How silly is that? I love dry oils. Absolutely love them. So really happy with that. Next, we've got an SPF. I'm obsessed with SPFs. We've got a Caudalíe Paris, an invisible spray, high protection, SPF 50. It's antioxidant, face and body for adults and children. And there's 150 mils there. I've tried many Caudalíe products. I don't think I've ever tried the SPFs before. Let's try out my other hand then. I love a spray. Ooh. I wanted to know whether it would come out like a mist or a cream. It comes out like a cream. Smell. A very subtle smell. That's nice. I don't know what it is. I can't describe it. But it's nice. It's very subtle. Yeah, that blends in nicely. Nice and quick. Not too tacky either. Yeah. We'll give that a go. If any of you have tried this, please let me know, especially if you've worn white clothes. I wear a lot of white when I've got a fake tan on and I'm on holiday, or if the weather's nice in Wales. It's currently cloudy. Anyway, let's move on. I got a Virtue shampoo and conditioner duo. This is recovering shampoo, recovering conditioner. The conditioner hydrates, softens, renews. The shampoo cleans, replenishes and nourishes. And there's 60 mils here. Now I received these in a different beauty box. I can't remember what one I got it in now. I had 2 of them. Sephora, I think it was. You get to choose 5 products a month. So I chose these 2 and I took them with me to, I went on a little break with my youngest son and my dad last week and I took these and yeah, they're really nice. The shampoo proper foams, proper foams, so loads of suds going on in my hair. It's alpha keratin, real science, true beauty. So supposedly there's no nasties there, but I will have to have a look online just to read more up about it. I literally got them in the Sephora box and then took them with me straight away. But yeah, happy to have them again because my hair really liked it. Can't have a beauty box these days without having a Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum cream. And this is the Brazilian Bum Bum cream and I think it is 25 mils. It's a little travel mini pot here. Beautiful cream. I've got a few of them. The smell is amazing. I just love this brand. It's such a cool brand. Just love it. Yeah, I just really, really love it. If you're a fan of beauty boxes, then no doubt you've got a few of these already. We've got Bum Bum Cream. Oh, if you're new to this cream, if you've never heard of it before, it's not supposed to be for your bottom. Well, it can be, obviously. It's an all-over body cream and it contains ingredients to firm and tighten up your skin. That's why it's called Bum Bum Cream. I have got here a body bar. Humanrace Body Care Reenergizing Whiteclay Body Bar. Kaolin Snow Mushroom Extract Shea Butter, 4 ounces. Pharrell Williams presents Humanrace Body Care, developed in consultation with his dermatologist of 20 years, Dr. Alina Jones, MD. The Reenergizing Whiteclay is a daily body bar cleanser that gently balances and hydrates the skin without stripping moisture. I love stuff like this. I love it when it's in balm form. Oh, look at it. I don't know. I don't think it's supposed to be in half. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. Look. I don't think it's supposed to be in half. But that's fine. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't bother me. I just got too many ones. No scent as such. I can't smell anything. This will come in handy when I go away. I'm going to Mykonos in a couple of weeks' time. Just me and my friend. Just for a few nights. Just hopping on a plane over to Mykonos. We're only going cabin bag. We're not having hold bags. So things like this is super handy because I don't have to include it in my liquids, and I need like shower gels and things, so that is one less thing to worry about. I might just take half though, just to keep the sizing down so I can fit more stuff in my bag. But yeah, so we've got a body bar there. Oh, if any of you've been to Mykonos, please let me know of must-do things, any things to do and see. I'd love to hear, so yeah, please let me know. Next, we've got Colour Wow. This is Dream Filter for picture perfect colour. Pre-shampoo mineral remover, filters out colour destroying minerals, unveils brighter colour. And there's 50 mils here. I have used this, but not in a long time. I can't remember what I think of it. It says breakthrough pre-shampoo treatment, filters out minerals found in city and well water that distort hair colour. Traces of copper, iron, magnesium, calcium, chlorine and other elements remain in your hair and will warp your colour over time. Work in just under 3 minutes and no heat. You're supposed to spray it all over your dry hair, leave on for 2 to 3 minutes, then shampoo. So we got a hair protector, a hair colour protector. And then lastly, in this Sunday's beauty kit, we have got a Philip Kingsley. This is a Swimcap water resistant mask, shields hair from chlorinated and salt water, and there's 75 mils there. Now, I received this again in a different beauty box maybe a month or 2 ago, I can't remember now, and I haven't used it yet, but I remember getting really excited about this. We get Philip Kingsley in loads and loads and loads of beauty boxes. It's like their Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum cream. And Philip Kingsley is quite hit and miss for me, but I do remember getting quite excited about this because this is going to be handy, like you're going into the sea or a swimming pool. Shove it all in my hair, tie my hair back, and my hair and scalp is protected from the sun. It says apply sections to damp hair and comb through. Leave on hair to guard against effects of sun and water while swimming and sunbathing. To remove, rinse well, then double shampoo. Yeah, whenever I'm on holiday, I wear a hat. I've got an obsession with fedoras. I've got a big wall full of my different coloured fedora hats that I've been collecting over the years. I absolutely love wearing them, but they protect my hair. I've got quite fine, thin hair, and my scalp can burn super quickly because I'm at high risk of developing skin cancer. I've had malignant melanoma in the past, so I've got to be really careful. So when I'm in the sea or in a swimming pool, I can't wear my fedoras then. So I tend to wear like a scarf over my head, but having something like this will just provide extra protection. So yeah, so there you go. So there's that. And they all fit in this lovely bag. So we've got a dry oil body spray, we've got a shampoo conditioner, we've got a body wash bar, we've got a scalp and hair protector against chlorine and sun, we've got a pre-wash shampooing treatment to protect against chlorine and things like that, and we've got an SPF 50 for body and face, and a body cream. So I think that is lovely. I think this is such a lovely kit. Yeah, really happy with it. I'd love to hear your thoughts though. What do you think of it? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.